Hello everybody, and welcome to this video, which is part of a series introducing the new MathCityMap web portal. In this video, I want to show you what groups are and how you can use them. Right now, we are on the main page of the new MathCityMap web portal. Click on this tile here, named Groups, to get to all group-related actions. As you can see, I am a member of 2 groups in total. Why do we need groups? Let's say I am giving a seminar on MathCityMap. I want all participants of the seminar to create test tasks and trails, which we can later look at together. So, for this purpose, I create a new group, which I can do here, clicking on this plus symbol. Let's give our group a meaningful name. Let's say we teach a seminar that's taking place in Dublin in June. So, for example, we name our group Seminar Dublin June and click on Create. Now we're inside our new group. But of course, I am the only member as I've just created the group. If I want others to join this group, I need the group's code. You can see the group code here as part of the URL. But I can also get the code clicking on this share symbol. Here, I can also see the code. Okay. So let's go back to the groups, to all groups. And if someone wanted to join this new group now, he or she would need to click on this symbol, join a group. All you have to do then is to enter the code and join. Of course, I'm already a member of this group as I have just created it, so I don't have to join, but that's what any other member would have to do. Let's press on cancel. And let's go back. Or no, stay here, because I want to have a look at one of the groups I'm already part of. Let's look at this group. If I enter the group, I see 3 tabs. In the first tab, I see all members of the group. In the second and third tab, I see all tasks that were shared with the group and all trails that were shared with the group. But how can I share a task or trail with a group? For this, I have to be the creator of this task or trail. So let's get back in the portal, or maybe I use this menu to navigate to tasks. Okay, now I'm in my tasks. Let's say maybe I look at this one. Okay, I open the task, and now if I want to share with the group, I need to click on this symbol here in the toolbar, Share Task. And now you see in this little dialog, Share with a group. And I can select the group I want to share with. Let's say this new group I just created. And I click Save. Now it says content was shared successfully. And if I switch back to the groups now, okay, like that. Now I see shared tasks, and there my task is. And that's it for now about groups. Thank you for watching. If you want more information about the MCM web portal, make sure to watch our other videos as well. Goodbye.